Let's draw fries. First, we will draw the box. Then make a U shape to complete the base. A line inside for its design. I'm gonna put some void eyes to make it more look interesting. But the choice is yours if you want to put some. Now let's add the fries. Just draw some thin rectangular shape like this. Time for coloring. Let's color the fries the color yellow. Did you know that fries are made by slicing potatoes into thin strips and then frying them? Have you guys eaten a fries before? Now let's color the base with a color gold. Then the box itself a color red. Are you guys doing fine? Hope you guys having a great time doing this. Seems like I'm running out of color pen. Just continue coloring and we are almost done. Just doing some finishing touches to make it more look interesting. Yay, we are done! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.